Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and today I'm going to be showing you this amazing 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS. As you can see, this car is done in a beautiful gold metallic paint. It does have that RS stripe across the front of the nose there, and you do have the hideaway headlights on this one. This car is packed with a ton of upgrades, such as Willwood brakes, tubular A-arms and coilovers up front. It's got a brand new blueprint 383 stroker motor with a Holley EFI system on it and a ton of other goodies that we'll get to here in just a minute. But we'll go ahead and start with our walk around on here. Let's start up front here. As you can see, you have that beautiful chrome bumper up front. You've got that RS grille with the hideaway headlights that are really cool, and these do function and work great. You do have the black stripe across the nose here that is known for the RS package, and it looks really nice. The paint on this car overall shows very, very well. It's in good condition. You do have the black vinyl top across the top as well. As we walk around the side here, you can see the fenders in great condition. The paint shows good. Your badges look nice. You have the RS wheels there with the BF Goodwrench tires. And behind those 15-inch wheels there, you do have some Willwood brakes up front. This car comes with four-wheel disc brakes all the way around, so that's a big plus. Definitely helps with stopping, especially with that 400-plus horsepower motor underneath the hood there. It gets this car down the road nicely. As we look at the door here, the door is in excellent condition. Your body line is nice and crisp all the way down. Your chrome on your mirror is in great condition. All your weather stripping here around the wing window is in great condition. And for you guys out there that don't know this, the 67 is a 1 year only with the wing window there. That's one way that you can tell that it's a 67 is look for that. Your door handle is in great condition. The chrome is nice on it as well. I always like to open the doors here and show you that they shut good. Doors not sagging or anything like that. As we look at the rear quarter here, the quarter is in great condition. Your body line's nice and crisp. Your trim here around the wheel well is in great condition. You got that rally wheel out back as well. And as I mentioned earlier, you do have four-wheel discs, so you do have disc brakes upgraded in the back as well. As we work our way around the backside here, your chrome bumper's in excellent condition. Looks really nice. You've got that really sporty spoiler here on the back that looks really good. Your tail lights are in excellent condition. Another thing that I'd like to make a point with this video is when the cars come in, we have our mechanic Carson look over them. So we check everything from gauges to lights, headlights, making sure that those hideaway doors up front for the headlights are operating properly. We check mechanical stuff, suspension components, to make sure that these cars are roadworthy when you get them, guys. But with that being said, let me go grab the key real quick. I want to show you the trunk. So this car does come with a car cover. It does come with a plastic one if you would like that. And it also comes with an outdoor cover. You've got your spare tire back here. You do have a spare dash pad as well, but you've got that nice mat back here in the back that just gives it a really clean look. But overall, very nice back here. It's painted, no rust or anything in the back of the trunk back here. Plenty of room to put your coolers and your lawn chairs and stuff in the back for all the car shows and cruise-ins. But overall, guys, a very nice car, something that you can definitely be proud to drive and take to cruise-ins and car shows, take your kids to get ice cream or take the wife on a date. This car does have ice-cold AC, so it's perfect for that. But with that being said, let's work our way back up front so I can show you that brand new blueprint engine under the hood. All right, guys, this is my favorite part of this car is the engine bay. You've got the glossy black tubs in here. That engine just stands out because it's a brand new engine, so it's nice and clean. You've got the Chevrolet valve covers as well as the matching air cleaner there. Very clean setup in here, very simple but very nice at the same time. You've got long tube headers here, aluminum heads. You've got an aluminum radiator with electric fans, so to keep this engine running cool in traffic, you have no issues with that. You've got upgraded AC as well. And as I also might have mentioned earlier, you do have a Holley EFI system on here, so it is electronic fuel injection. So just really good drivability, and you don't have the hassles of adjusting a carburetor, you know, a couple times a year. But overall, very nice. You do also have a Willwood master cylinder over there that was upgraded as well. But overall, a very nice looking engine bay, and this motor runs really well. We do have some paperwork on it. It was dynoed on an engine dyno somewhere north of 450 horsepower. So to the wheels, you're probably looking at 420 to the wheels. It's plenty of power to get this car down the road. It will definitely break the tires loose if you go full throttle, but overall, very nice here. But with that being said, let's work our way into the interior so I can show you what that has to offer. All right, guys, check out this beautiful interior. So you got the gold exterior with the matching gold interior, and this is really unique because a lot of these just have the black interior. I really like seeing the gold. It really shows the style of the car. You know, back in the 70s and 60s, it was really unique to have the gold interior. You don't see that a lot in modern day times with the new cars we have. But the carpet and everything in this car is in overall good condition. The headliner's in great condition. It's not sagging or anything like that. But one of the really cool features with this car is you do have keyless entry. So you can hit the lock and unlock button and it locks the car for you. You do have an upgraded Camaro Central steering wheel that's real leather. It looks really nice in here. It kind of matches the center console because it is also black as well. You do have some upgraded auxiliary gauges here for your fuel and your engine temp. You have a clock. And you also have a oil temp and your battery voltage as well over there. Your gauges on this car work as they should. Overall, everything in here is very nice and clean. Your seats are nice and clean, no tears or rips or anything like that. Another cool thing about this Camaro, it does have a Bluetooth amp, which what that means is you can come in and you can hook your phone up to the stereo system on this car and you control it directly from your phone. So you can listen to Pandora, YouTube music, anything that's on your phone that plays music, it'll play directly through the speakers. And the stereo system in this car is actually really, really nice. You've got some speakers down here in the kick panel as well as some speakers in the trunk, and it sounds really, really nice. I've had the pleasure of driving this vehicle and listening to the stereo system, and it's really nice. It definitely adds to the experience of driving this beautiful classic Camaro. But guys, overall the interior is very nice and it shows very well. But with that being said, let's get to my favorite part and let's take this Camaro for a drive. All right, guys, we're out cruising in this beautiful Camaro on this beautiful Georgia day. We got the AC blasting, watching my gauges here. All the gauges work as they should. This car also has a killer stereo system in it, but we can't play it due to YouTube and being copyrighted. But you can take my word on it, it's really, really nice. The transmission shifts fantastic. This car does have a 700R4 transmission, so you do get a 4-speed. So you can cruise this on the interstate or around town, and it'll get good gas mileage, and it'll be easy on the engine. The EFI system on this 383 stroker is fantastic. It idles really good. It runs down the road really nice, and when you mat it to the floor, you get a ton of power, but you also get some pretty cool sounds. You guys that know the Holley systems out there, you know what I'm talking about, that kind of whistling noise that you hear when you mat down on it. It's just a super cool sound. It definitely lets you know that you're riding around in a muscle car. But overall, my impressions on this car are really good. I would give it a solid 10 out of drivability as far as steering and braking. All that is really nice. The steering's nice and tight and responsive. And this car can really be used for anything. You can cruise it, you could take it out on a joyride out on some back roads and enjoy some twisties. Or you can just, you know, take it to dinner or date night and cruise it and be comfortable with the AC blowing in here. But overall, a fantastic car. Guys, if you're interested in this car, give us a call, 770-738-7111. You can ask for me, Chris, or my partner, Justin, and we can help you with shipping, financing. We can even talk to the wife. You know, we can do anything you need to get this dream car in your driveway. But guys, with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, and we'll catch you on the next one.